The story of Peter and the wolf. Peter lives with his grandfather. His grandfather has a cat named Ivan and a duck named Sonia. One morning, Peter goes on a hunt in the forest. He arms his pop gun and starts his journey.
Peter's grandfather is afraid because there's a wolf in the forest. He finds Peter and makes him come home. When the grandfather is asleep, Peter makes a plan and slips out of their home. He is joined by Ivan and Sonia. A little bird named Sasha sees the duck from a tree, and they begin to tease one another.
On their journey, Ivan chases Sasha, and Peter gets angry. He wants his friends to help him hunt the wolf.
can finish scolding his friends, the wolf appears. Sonia is not paying attention. The wolf chases Sonia and she is very scared.
The wolf tosses Sonia and Peter and his friends fear she has been eaten.
Sasha, Peter, and Ivan are very sad. They make a plan.
Peter climbs up a tree and Ivan distracts the wolf. The wolf does not know that Peter is tying his tail with the rope. They have caught the wolf and he is very angry.
Peter hears drums. The hunters have arrived and they want to kill the wolf. Peter does not want the wolf killed because he is kind, and he wants the townspeople to be proud of him.
While they are celebrating, they are surprised to hear Sonia come out of a hole in a tree. She is safe. Everyone is very happy except the wolf.